I'm Wes, the auto body guy. After 15 years in the industry, I've decided it's time to share some of the tips and tricks I've learned along the way. Today we're removing this trim panel from the left front door of a 2014 Ford F-150 Lariat. Let's get to it. So first we'll show you the attachment hardware. There's an 8mm screw in behind this trim panel here. There is a 6mm here and here. And then we'll remove this trim panel here and unplug the wiring connections. And there's also one last screw here, an 8mm. So guys, the tools for today's project are very simple. We have one trim panel removal tool, a pick tool to remove the small trim covers for these screws, a Makita 12-volt impact with a 1/4-inch adapter head on it, and then we have a 6mm socket and an 8mm socket. Trim panel, trim panel 2, and we'll go ahead and take the window switch assembly out. And there are 3 plugs here. Each of them has a tab you can squeeze with your finger or a tool. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll get our impact with our 8mm socket. There's the 2 8mm. We'll switch over to the 6mm for these 2 down low. Two 6s. Now the whole panel should slide straight up, and you will have the handle connection and the mirror connections to release. So let's try this out. Once again, the mirror control is just a single plug, and we'll show you this here. This here is the cable connection for the interior handle. Get some focus there, and I'll show you once we get it out a little technique on removing that. So this little handle connection here has 2 tabs, and you have to squeeze those to pull it out. So that's the little thing there, and this is the mirror connection. There's one release tab there, and that's it.